Into a Thursday, October 17th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. So, you're thinking about selling your home now or later. A senior TD Bank economist, Rishi Sondhi, is weighing in, noting that the TD is expecting a fairly substantial pickup in the housing market between now and the end of the year, as those lower interest rates finally convince would-be buyers to get moving. Sondhi convinced that a half-point Bank of Canada rate cut expected next week will be a difference maker, and he's expecting that while the prairies will likely see the biggest price increases on the way, the country's most expensive markets, Toronto and Vancouver, will probably lag a bit. Checking the pulse of builders, StatsCan noting August investment in building construction, gaining 0.2% to $21 billion in August, 7.2% better than a year back. Non-residential investment setting a new record high at $6.4 billion for the month. BC leading the way for both institutional and commercial investment. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter with the help of one of Canada's most listened to business podcasts, updated Monday through Friday and heard around the world on X and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, including Spotify and Apple. Canada's Business Beat. The more you listen, the more you know. Plugged in, General Motors, making it clear it's still convinced that EVs are the future, investing $625 million to acquire a 38% stake in a Canadian-owned lithium mine in Nevada. Vancouver-based Lithium Americas stock price surging 22% on Wednesday to around $4.50 a share. Another cost cut landing at European aerospace giant Airbus. 2,500 layoffs planned over the next few months in the company's defense and space divisions. Hot Wheels, better news related to organized crime vehicle thefts. The Fed's reporting that while 2,000 stolen rides have been recovered in the first half of this year, nationwide thefts are down 19% from a year ago. And is this you? The findings of a pre-Christmas shopping survey. Deloitte asking that old question, whether you plan to spend more or less than last year. About 10% more, the general answered this time, to nearly $1,500. They also found that 7 in 10 of us are planning to do most of our shopping on Amazon. That will do it for your Thursday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.